This is finally an AP Physics C question, 1988, it's mechanics. It's question number 1. Which of the following pairs of graphs shows the distance traveled versus time and the speed versus time for an object uniformly accelerated from rest at time t equals 0? So, it's a uniformly accelerated from rest. The first thing you must know is that if an object is uniformly accelerated, therefore its speed is increasing. So when we look to the graph speed versus time, we see in all the cases the speed is increasing, so we can't eliminate any choice. However, when we look to the graph distance versus time, in the graph distance versus time, the slope of the graph is the speed. So therefore, because the speed is increasing, the slope of the graph must be increasing. In graph A, the slope of the graph is decreasing, so we can eliminate choice A. In graph B is the same, slope of the graph, and therefore the speed is decreasing. It's not the case. Here, slope of the graph is the same, so the speed is a constant. It's not the case. There is an acceleration. In choice D, the slope of the graph is increasing, therefore speed, and it's the same for choice E. The slope is increasing, and therefore the speed. So we are left with choice D and E. Now let's see the second graph. In the graph speed versus time, the slope of the graph this time is acceleration, and we know that it's a uniformly accelerated. It says right here. Therefore the slope must be the same. Here the slope is increasing. It's not the same. However, in graph E, the slope is a constant, is a straight line. Therefore, the answer is E, choice E.